Getting your PayPal verification rejected is a massive headache that puts your money in a chokehold. But the reason it's failing is usually a tiny detail you missed, rather than a major legal issue. You probably uploaded your ID and thought everything was fine, only to get that automated rejection email an hour later. I am going to show you exactly how to align your data so PayPal's system finally accepts you. And if you stick around until the end, I have a specific trick for international accounts that bypasses the most common manual review trap. The reason this keeps happening is that PayPal uses a very rigid automated scanner. Think of it like a key and a lock. If your name on your ID says Jonathan, but your PayPal profile says John, the key won't turn. The system isn't smart enough to know you're the same person. It just sees a data mismatch and flags it as a security risk. This happens with business accounts too. If you forget to add LLC or Inc. to your business name, or if you use STE instead of Suite in your address, the automated bot assumes the business doesn't exist. It's all about perfect data symmetry between your documents and your digital profile. First, you need to log in and go straight to your profile settings to audit your information before you try to upload anything else. Do not just jump back into the verification portal yet. Check every single letter of your name against your government ID. If your ID has your middle name and your PayPal profile doesn't, you need to update your profile first. Next, make sure your email and phone number are fully confirmed. Check your spam folder for that confirmation link because an unverified email is an instant red flag for their system. Now, simply look at your business details if you are using a professional account. You must ensure your business type is 100% accurate and your tax ID matches the address on file. Once your profile is cleaned up, clear your browser cache and cookies to make sure you aren't sending old, cached data during the next attempt. When you're ready to re-upload, stop using your phone camera if the lighting is bad. Use a high-resolution color scan. The edges of the document must be visible. There can be no glare from a flash, and absolutely nothing can be covered or cropped out. The pro tip for those of you running international or complex business accounts is to fill out the beneficial owner details completely, even if the form says it's optional. Providing this extra layer of transparency usually triggers a faster manual review by a human who can see you're legitimate, rather than letting the bot reject you again. If you've done everything right and it still fails, stop the auto submissions and use the message center to ask for a manual document review so you don't get your account locked for too many attempts. Now that your account is verified, you should look into how to lower your transaction fees so you keep more of that money.